Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to screen record on your VIVO V40 phone. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to open up our control panel, and scroll down again to open it up even more, and we're going to find the record screen option. So for me it's right here, and once I click it and click agree, if you're doing it for the first time, you can change out the settings right here. So I can select record sound. I'm going to select system audio only, picture quality, and do not disturb mode. I can select the option to turn on do not disturb while I'm recording. I'm going to enable that too. And just click start screen recording. Your screen recording should start, and you will see this little button right here to the right, where you can pause the recording and click again to resume it, or just stop the recording by clicking on the square. So once I stop the recording, it should save on my phone, and I can click on the notification that just popped up and check the video that I just made. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.